The gold yesterday could not make higher movement. We can see that the prices started to rise in value, reaching 2520 around this price level, and then also bouncing back down, going even more below than the day before that. And we can see that the price has formed this indecision candle with a larger wick on the lower side and the smaller wick on the upper side, which is suggesting that there is more selling pressure here that has pushed the price down, which means sellers more than the buyers. But there are also buyers that are preventing the price from falling down. So we can see that the price could not close the day below this open price of this candle of this day. So what do you expect? Yesterday I have mentioned that I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value because this bullish candle has gone above the previous day, which was also a similar candle like yesterday candle. So it was suggesting further rise in value. So this is something that I have expected. So we'll see what happens. Currently I'm still more open to see the price going even more up, reaching an area around this 2550.00, but there is some kind of selling pressure here, and also I need to see, will the buyers prevent the price from falling down? And that means this small support level around this one area, around 2500, is holding for several days. It's not allowing the price to close the candle body below this price level on the daily basis. So if this price closes below this price level, which will mean around 2496, an area around this one, because we can see these are the lower supply price of these candles, this will mean that there is open space for the price to go even more down around this area, which is around 2468, a support level, and this one 2471. So this is an area as a support for the next if the price goes even more down, which means the closed day. Now for the bulls, the price needs to go above this price level, which means 2514 is a resistance that is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. So if the day closes above, this will be a signal for the price that the price will continue to rise in value. So will the price go up or down? And when the price closes here, will it close at 2514 or it will go up 2529, close the day? This is something that needs to be watched on the lower time frames, like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, to see the smaller support and the resistance levels that are in between these two price levels, from here to here and also from here to here. So this is something that I'll cover inside the trading group, the Telegram. The link will be below in the description, so you can check it, where I share the details, what are these levels with the traders on the daily basis. During the day I send 1 or 2 or more messages to the traders to see what are the critical levels, so they know what to expect. And also when there is a breakout, for example from this level or from this level, then I also share in the details what is the target where the price could reach. And this is after the day closes, there are several levels that are covered, and also when the breakout happens, they also get information. So if you would like to be notified during the day what are these levels, if you are a day trader, you can also join this Telegram group. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.